The people who contribute to WordPress, like the active ones, are mostly the same. But what you do see is that every release there are some new people coming in. All the previous people are stepping out again. The same happened to me too. Like you can't always every release make the time. The new developers who's starting to help out with contributing back to WordPress are always have always the same opinion in mind. Like they want to freshen up the code base of WordPress, and it's really important that we still have those people. Uh, it's really easy for us to say like, yeah, we can keep the old way, like still try to support PHP 5.2, but sometimes we need more people to share their ideas, and maybe the new people have those ideas we need because they deal with that on a more daily basis than on average the leading developers of WordPress do. The typical process for new developers to join WordPress is basically share the IDs on our bug tracking tool or go to our chats on Slack where they can discuss it on the right channels what their IDs are. Depending on their ID, it can be an issue or a feature request like that they have problems with code, or if they want to restructure the code because they want to use namespaces, then probably they want to go to Slack and see and talk with the developers and see why we don't use it and see ways that we can use that knowledge. So in general, Slack is pretty much a good channel for new developers who are critical against WordPress to join and speak out. The advice I have for new developers is when they want to join is find the right developer who can be a friend or can be someone you find on Slack, online, Twitter, and ask them questions if they want to help out. Like in general, most of the WordPress people want to help out. It's always the question about time, but like I can speak for myself, and I really want to help out new developers. I did that before, and I still want to do that. Um, that's part of what I need to do. If I look at the project I'm leading, GlobPress, that I need to do that because there are not enough contributors, and I need that to also get the tools on the right level. And what I would say to new developers is find that right person, show that you're motivated, and they are more than eager to help you out.